In this tutorial, we are going to find, check out, and download a digital audiobook using the Libby app to enjoy New Hampshire downloadable books. The first thing I'm going to notice is that I have the digit 2 next to preferences. I'm going to tap on that, and it's a good thing I did because right now only books or ebooks are showing. I'm going to change that to audiobooks. And I do want to see everything that's available now. We currently have about 7,000 or more audiobook titles that are currently available, so I guarantee there will be something that you enjoy. So I'm going to browse through, and Dan Silva, excellent. I'm going to check out one of his titles. Now, I can borrow the title, and I could change the lending period between 7 days and 14 days. I'm going to keep it at 14 days and press borrow. Now at this point, the audiobook is downloading on my Wi-Fi. It is possible to go into the Libby settings and set your own settings so that it'll download only on Wi-Fi or through cellular, or that you just have to prompt it to download. So at this point, the audiobook is about halfway finished. Note that your download times will vary depending on your download speeds through your internet service provider. All right, so when it does open, I'm going to see a small check mark in the middle of that circle, and I'll be able to open the audiobook and start listening. Now I'm going to turn the volume down because it does get really, really loud. So I'm going to open the audiobook and tap the play button just for 1 second here. So the audiobook
Harper
is playing.
Audio presents The Black Widow by Daniel Silva.
I'm going to pause that for now. Let's take a look at some of the really fantastic options that are here for us. First and foremost, if we tap on the little 3-line settings button, we can see chapters. Now this is handy if you've also started reading the book in print or in another format. I can also put in my own bookmarks and get some tips and secrets. But let's take a look at the different icons at the top of the screen. In the very center, we see a little timer, and what that does is it speeds up the audio. So let's go ahead and listen to some of that now.
By George Goodell.
Now, some people swear by this timer to really speed things up. It's not my preference, but if it is yours, you might want to see what different options, different settings you enjoy. Since it wasn't playing with me, let's just move forward a little bit.
Drivel, or is it an ignorantia affectata? A willful ignorance? Yes. You'd have to ask him.
Well, that
Do you know
will
him?
certainly speed up your listening time.
Rousseau was obviously tempted to ask Gabriel about the circumstances of his one-on-one meeting with the American president.
Right back to
But
first speed. Now, if you're someone who enjoys listening before you fall asleep, you might want to set a 30-minute timer just so you don't get too far ahead of yourself and have your audiobook play all night while you're sleeping. And of course, you can bookmark your location as well. I hope this has given you some instruction on how to listen to digital audiobooks from your New Hampshire Public Library. Thanks for listening.